Alright, so today we're going to talk about linear x and y intercepts. And basically what an intercept is when something crosses, a line crosses another line. In this case, because it's the x and y intercept, it would be when a line intercepts or crosses the x-axis or the y-axis. And a cool thing kind of happens as they cross. As you notice for the x right here, whatever coordinate that it crosses at, the y will always be 0. So for the x-intercept, which is right here, the y coordinate is always going to be 0. You would have to solve for the x. So if you had the equation for this line, the y equals mx plus b, you already know what the y would be. It would be 0. You would just have to solve for x, assuming you know the slope and the y-intercept, which would be the b. The y-intercept is the exact opposite. It's where it crosses the y-axis, so the line's crossing the y-axis right here, and the 0 would be the x coordinate this time. So then you would have to solve for y. So I kind of wrote that right here. The x-intercept is when it's whatever x value it is, and it crosses, or the y coordinate is 0. And the y-intercept is the exact same thing, only the x coordinate is 0, and you would have to solve for the y. And again, this x and y depends on the line, the equation of the line. I did it in slope-intercept form right here, just to kind of show you how to do it. The most important thing you're doing when you're solving these is understanding what x and y-intercept is. Because if you know that the y is 0 for the x-intercept and the x is 0 for the y-intercept, you should be able to solve it, knowing the slope of the line. It should be totally possible. The slope and the y-intercept of the line, you should be able to solve for these two. And I kind of did that right here. Here's slope-intercept form. So for the x-intercept, as you can see, for the y, I plugged in the 0, and then I solved for x. So I put in 0 here. I subtracted b from both sides. I have negative b equals mx. I divided both sides by the m to get x by itself, and I solved for x, and it's equal to negative b over m. I did the exact same thing for the y-intercept. We're solving for y this time, but we know the x is 0. Right here, x is 0, so I just plugged in x is 0. Really easy, 0 times anything is 0. So y is equal to b, as you probably already know from all your other studies of slope-intercept form. So hopefully that helps you with understanding the x and y intercepts of linear graphs.